Thank you for choosing the Arkscan M200 portable label maker. This video will show you how to set up and use the label maker. Let's start with the parts and components. The USB-C charging port. The power and feed button. The label exit slot and lid opener button. The label maker comes with the following items: label printer, USB charging cable, and one roll of 14mm by 40mm labels. Please charge the label maker for at least 2 hours before setting up. Connect the USB-C end of the charging cable to the label maker and plug the other end into either a computer or a USB wall charger. First, let's load the labels into the printer by pushing in the button and lifting up the top. Please note the orientation in which the labels are loaded. Properly is with the label side facing upward. It's that easy. You can now close the lid. Leave just a little bit hanging out of the exit slot. Power on the printer by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds. The light will turn green. To calibrate the label and print a test page, double tap on the power button. The printed QR code can be used to pair the printer to your phone. More on that later. To download the X-Easy Label app, scan the QR code on the bottom of the label maker or the one on this screen below. On the Arkscan website, click the download link for your particular device. The app is available in the Google Play and Apple Store. Click to download, and then open after installation is complete. Before we continue, please verify that your device has Bluetooth turned on. To pair the printer to your device, click on the plus sign in the top right corner. Once found, tap to connect. If you have trouble scanning for the printer, use the scan code button to scan the printed QR code. The label maker auto-detects the label size and type in the printer. Click on Create a new tag to begin. Let's start this demonstration design by adding some text. Now let's select one of many available emojis. Looks good. Time to print. By creating an account, you can save your designs for quick printing or editing in the future. Now that your account is created, you can click on the Save button in the top right corner to save your design. Your saved designs will appear on the app home screen for quick and convenient usage. Easily create barcodes and QR codes in just a few clicks, select pre-made templates, and many more possibilities are available. Please note that Arkscan L4C label type is required in the label maker. If you receive a paper error printout or see paper not recognized when creating a label in the app, it means that the labels are not compatible with the printer.
If our content has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we will continue to offer free tips and help for our label printer users. And be sure to click that bell icon so that you'll be notified of our future releases. And please use the Add Comments section below to contact us with your questions or feedback. Thank you.